Hello guys and welcome back to Free Things, and today we will study for free. And where? In Indonesia. So I got you a scholarship in Tunisia for 2025 and it is for everyone. Okay, let's go in deep. By the way, you can go to directdari.com. I will put in the description box if you want to reread everything from the beginning for the scholarship link. So about the scholarship, so it's in Indonesia. As you can see here, the country is Indonesia. The university name is Muhammadiyah University, and the degree available, everything. As you can see here, doctorate, master's, or bachelor's degree. Eligibility open to students worldwide. So everyone can apply for this scholarship. And the deadline will be on November, so yeah, we still have time, the 8th of November 2024. So guys, if you really want to get a scholarship, just go and do it. And now, yeah, just go and do it. All right. So if you need help, by the way, for your application, we can help you just with $2. And just contact us via WhatsApp and we will for sure respond to you. We will do all of the papers or the requirements, things that you need. We will see it. All right, so the benefits of this scholarship is the study expenses, living and accommodation, health insurance are all provided and covered, but the plane ticket is not covered. Okay, you guys? So everything is covered and not the plane ticket. So you will just get it by your own self. Okay. As we said, there is 3 types of scholarships for the bachelor's, master's, and doctorate. Each one has a duration. For the bachelor's degree or the undergraduate program, it will be 4 years, 8 semesters. Postgraduate will be, or masters will be 2 years, and for doctorate or doctoral program it will be 4 academic years too. Oof, it's too long to be honest. All right, but it's too super amazing, guys. It's Indonesia, so yeah. Okay, so the offered scholarship for tuition fees, as you can see here, you can read every single thing, by the way. So if you have your GPA for the for example, in some countries they do have a high school GPA note. So if it is more than 3, it will be super free. Everything will be covered. But it is, if it is between 75 and 3, it will be 75 discount, which is super amazing too. Or if it is lesser than that, of course it will be revoked. So yeah, it's so good. Yeah. All right, for masters it is more than 3.5. Yeah, we have students that got this, guys. It's not that much, but of course if it is between 3.25 and 350, you will get 75%. But if it is lesser than that, you will get 50. Lesser than that, it will be revoked. Okay. And for the doctorate, it will be the same, because here it's for masters and doctoral programs. Okay, so for the living cost, as you can see here, it is with the currency of Indonesia. I'm sorry, I don't know exactly what is the currency name, but yeah, as you can see here, it looks too much. So yeah, it's a good cost, let's say. Not cost, but yeah, living cost. All right, now the most important part, which is the required documents. And by the way, again, we can help you by doing every single thing just for $2. Okay, so you should complete the application form and get your passport, and it should be valid at least, I think, 6 months. No, at least 1 year, I think now. And of course, graduation certificate. If you will study masters, for example, you should get your bachelor's degrees certificate or diploma. If you will get scholarship for the bachelor's, you should get the high school certificate, and the same for the doctoral program. Just get the master's one. Okay, of course, your transcript and motivation letter. By the way, all of it should be in English. Okay, and recommendation letters. We can recommend you, of course, but it is for masters and doctorate, but please get it from your teachers or from other researchers, so it will be better and they will for sure get you, or it will attract their attention. Okay, and also research proposal, again for masters and doctorate, but for bachelor's degree there's nothing. Okay, so for the English certificate you can do Duolingo. By the way, it's easier than TOEFL or IELTS, so yeah, just do it guys, it's super easy. Okay, and so you can, by the way, consult the website, the official website. Let's just go. Yeah, I just rewrote every single thing better than the website, so you can find everything here. But let's go back. So you will just wait for or do all of this procedure for getting the certificate, not the certificate, but for getting the scholarship. So yeah, just read it by heart. So, and how to apply now. So you will choose the study program. Is it for bachelor's, master's, or doctorate? And then create and activate your account, of course, and complete and submit the scholarship application form with these required documentation documents, as we said. And then just wait for the result, and it will be, where is it? Application, no, validation. I think this one, yes, validation of the document period. So it will be in December. And by the way, you will have an interview, as you can see here, and the first phase of announcement, if you are if they accepted you, at least your application, it will be in November, and then you will start in the 1st June of 2025. Okay, so if you need help, we can apply for you just for $2. And that's it for today, you guys. I hope you like the scholarship, and please, if you like this kind of videos, just tell me. By the way, I know a lot of scholarships, because now even I am looking for myself for a scholarship. So yeah, I'm every day looking for one. So tell me if you like this kind of videos in the description box, and thank you.